Hello and welcome to Tablescape Tuesday. This is hosted every Tuesday by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, and the special theme today is pastel yellow. So here is my tablescape, and it has lemons in it. Now these plates I purchased at the Dollar General, and they were just $2 a piece. I think they're quite pretty. I love the fact that there's blue in it as well. Now these placemats with the butterflies I got at the Dollar Tree. And I also have yellow napkins, and the flatware is gold and silver from Amazon. So I'm going to take you around the table. And I just set a table for 3 today. And I have crystal candle holders with yellow candles. And I also have large crystal wine glasses, again from the Dollar General. And also lemon cups with the lemon saucer. Those came from the Dollar Tree. So I thought this made for a very cute table setting. I have a yellow pitcher with yellow tulips. Those were from Amazon. And I have the centerpiece in a round wicker tray with some bumblebees as well. And a container here with 3D bumblebees on it. And here's a closer look at the bumblebees, all from the Dollar General. And some extra lemons and a close-up of my yellow tulips and the wine glass. Again, the Dollar General. So I think this was a very budget-friendly tablescape in pastel yellows with lemons and bumblebees. Okay, here's my little shelf in the kitchen, and I have a bumblebee pot with some tiny little lemons and some more lemon salt and pepper shaker. And another bumblebee pot, a strawberry cup, a lemon cup, and a yellow teapot hanging from underneath the shelf. Well, I want to thank you all for watching, and I'll be sure to check out the playlist and leave everyone a comment and a like. See you all next time. Bye-bye for now.